Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County and northwest Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, central Lake County in northwest Indiana, southern Porter County in northwest Indiana until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from St. John to Dunsbridge and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations affected include Lowell, DeMott, Gifford, Lake Delacarlia, and Wheatfield, Hebron. Other locations affected: Lake County Fairgrounds. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This is NOAA's weather radar.